it's me, Trevor Defense, and this is a Victorian S-Stock train from one transmitting brought for £16. So yeah, so I'm filming this one on a train, so you probably, disable which one you can buy out of
Why did you have a Tesla? So I had an Uber driver turn up in a tux once, and I was like, have I clicked like Uber? Yeah. But apparently they work as like, some of them work as private drivers at, like on the side. So yeah.
But when they work like mortgage like cafe, and Eddie wasn't there. And I woke up and it was like 9, I had to be at work. So
then this is
That's so
yes, open,
you saved it.
Let's go get it.
Oh, what she was saying to you, like,
Yeah, if you go to work, like, you need to fit that's fine.
Were you guys tempted to do like going out last time?
you don't have that cross open.
Getting up and just people at home, I see.
What was the question?
Yeah, I know.
Wait, and have you told them
That was regardless, that's so putting up there, right? Like we just went over at one point.
Yeah.
is that all you had last night?
Yeah. To be fair, I think I'd be quite drunk.
yeah, if I hadn't eaten, I'd be
If I had eaten, it's 5 bucks.
Yeah.
We left for the last one.
Oh, guys saw Georgia for lunch yesterday.
Really? How is she?
She's really well. Really well.
She came back to Mexico.
Well, in September, but then she's coming back in September permanently.
Did you meet her man, like, influence that decision?
Yeah, definitely. They didn't use it, huh?
With Kilo Deli. So, our friend Grace from school is moving to, like, the road that's called Goldwood Deli. Like, that's like the Bella Road, but, like, basically the same road. So, I'm really jealous. That's really good.
Yeah, no, she didn't like explicitly say that, but
It's kind of like,
and also she got like her amazing job.
She said she would help her out.
yeah, I think she's a parent, but
Yes,
being like, it's incredible.
Yeah.
do another model S stock train at home that's not as good quality.
What's she going to do for work?
And this one is all made by the London Train Company. I've been on these trains a lot, particularly the Hammersmith 69, also the Metropolitan.
And she doesn't like mild weather.
Basically, not say standard interior. I think it's about 176 sort of flange wheels. I know the central line is one you can work on that scale as well. Excuse it, of course, I'm filming this one on a train. So,
Oh, sure. Yeah.
so the point is that
Like that's kind of like
this one, so it's table.
That baby might go. Yeah, that's not
Enjoy watching the white
He also always
and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
like ride or die.